What's up traders, my name is Layla and welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. This week, the NASDAQ soared, Delta Airlines skyrocketed, Nvidia made history, and Trump's trade war got even hotter. Let's jump right into it. President Trump agreed to extend the trade deadline to August 1st, giving some countries a little more wiggle room. But in true Trump fashion, that didn't stop the tariff train. He dropped 25% tariffs on Japan and South Korea and fired off more letters on Wednesday, targeting South Korea, Malaysia, Thailand, you name it. A new 50% tariff on copper and Brazil imports cranked up the heat, driving up prices of copper and coffee. Despite promising deals with 200 countries this year, only 3 have been reached this far. Over at X, CEO Linda Yaccarino is stepping down after just 2 years. The final straw, you may ask? Advertiser boycotts and backlash over X's AI chatbot Grok, which stirred controversy over some eyebrow-raising posts. Still, Yaccarino kept things positive, saying the best is yet to come as the company pivots towards Elon Musk's new AI project, xAI. Musk replied with a classic, cryptic, "Thank you for your contributions." Meanwhile, X continues battling legal issues and trying to win back advertiser trust. On another note, Delta absolutely stole the spotlight Thursday with an earnings blowout that sent airline stocks flying. The stock jumped 12.6% after beating both top and bottom line estimates. 4-year guidance was reinstated and booking numbers look solid. That lit a fire under the entire sector. United, American, Southwest, and Alaska all took off. Then came the fireworks. Nvidia crossed a jaw-dropping $4 trillion market cap. That makes it the first chip maker to ever hit that milestone thanks to the booming demand for its AI chips and CUDA software. Tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Tesla are pouring billions into Nvidia-powered infrastructure. Even with expert curves, Nvidia's trajectory is meteoric and next-gen chips are already on deck. Meanwhile, Jeff Bezos cashed in on Prime Day hype, offloading nearly $666 million in Amazon stock. He's on track to sell 25 million shares by 2026. The latest sell came just after his ultra-luxurious Venice wedding to Lauren Sanchez. Celebs showed up, Bezos cashed out, and even after the sale, he still holds nearly 900 million shares, worth around $200 billion. Prime Day is in full swing, and last year it raked in $14.2 billion in sales. Over in the food world, Nutella met Frosted Flakes. Italy's Ferrero is acquiring WK Kellogg, bringing together its sweet treats with iconic cereals like Fruit Loops. It's a major move in Ferrero's US expansion and another sign that the food industry is going big on consolidation in 2025. Bitcoin blasted past 112,000 this week, riding high alongside stablecoin company Circle, which surged on news of Ant Group's stablecoin ambitions. Coinbase, on the other hand, dipped after being downgraded on valuation concerns. Retail also got a boost. Oracle, McDonald's, and Roku all scored upgrades thanks to big AI bets and marketing innovations that are clearly paying off. On the economic front, Treasury yields ticked up after a lighter than expected jobless claims report. The dollar held steady and oil fell on rising US stockpiles and weaker demand from China. Initial jobless claims came in lower than expected, making a Fed rate cut in July less likely. Fed minutes released Wednesday revealed a cautious tone, with officials watching trade and economic moves closely. Despite all the volatility, markets are holding strong thanks to AI-driven tech, sector rebounds, and investor optimism. But don't blink because earnings season kicks off next week with big banks reporting, and it's about to get interesting. For more updates, tune in next week as we continue tracking the market's every move, and subscribe down below to Bullish Bear for more content. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.